In this video we will learn how to generate an overtime request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see overtime request form. Click on the Apply for Overtime button to add a new request. Next, select an employee whose overtime requisition is to be generated. Enter the request title. And then select the date for overtime. System will show overtime hours. Add a reason before submitting the request. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.